This is the story of how VEZO changed my life. 5:02 a.m. I wake up to get ready for work. Tailored shirt. Timeless. Classic. Coffee. A gift from my lover. VEZO 360 Smart Dashcam. Beautiful design. Intelligent features. A refined innovation for car security. 6:13 a.m. I head out to install my VEZO 360. The specially designed mount supports all types of cars, and the strong magnetic attachment makes it effortless to install. My new life with VEZO begins now. Oh no. It was clearly this idiot's fault, and I can prove it. VEZO's 360 camera system captures all around my car without any blind spots. Using the dedicated app, I can wirelessly transfer videos to my phone, and the 4K HD video shows everything in crystal clear detail. It's an open and shut case. 1:26 p.m. I believe in working hard in order to... Someone just hit my parked car, and she just drove away. A classic hit and run. But VEZO automatically detects accidents even when my car is off, and the low-power sensors do not drain the car's battery. With its 4G capability, I'm notified immediately by receiving a video clip to my phone. I've got all the proof I need for an insurance claim. 6:21 p.m. It's been a long day and I feel quite sleepy. Thankfully, VEZO's sleep detection feature uses facial recognition to alert a drowsy driver. That was close. VEZO, you saved my life. 11:16 p.m. I'm finally back home. As a crime deterrent, VEZO's bright LED light remains on at all times. This lets others know that VEZO is watching. Looks like I'm in safe hands. 9:46 a.m. I go on a road trip with my best friends. Why don't I capture this spontaneous moment? With just a single press of a button, I can take a selfie in the car as well as the outside landscape, all in one seamless 360 image or video. With the dedicated internal battery, I can even take VEZO outside to use it just like a regular 360 camera. An unforgettable memory captured in a gorgeous 360-degree image. And I can quickly share my photos and videos to social media directly from the VEZO app. My life is now fully protected, all thanks to my VEZO 360 Smart Dashcam. Thank you, VEZO.
We want to bring the latest tech to the dashcam market by developing high-quality imaging with 360-degree field of view. We have been working on VEZO for the past 2 years. With our agile and precise engineering, VEZO delivers an elegant user experience. And now we need your help to make VEZO available to everyone. We invite you to join our project and back us on Kickstarter. Thank you.
I've always had a sincere appreciation for the ocean, so when insulated water bottles emerged to the market, I was honestly stoked. It was a small way to give back and protect the thing that practically raised me. However, after a few months of using my water bottle, I began to notice this odor, and no matter how many times I washed it, I couldn't get rid of this smell, and being somewhat of a germaphobe, I wanted to know why. So I teamed up with some scientists and engineers at my university, and I discovered that the average water bottle has more growing bacteria colonies than your average dog toy. All of this led me to develop Luma. Luma is an insulated water bottle that uses digital UVC light to kill 99% of bacteria in your water and in your bottle. So this means no more nasty after smell and great tasting water no matter where you are. Our UVC light rests in the bottom portion of the bottle, so by always being in contact with your water, the UVC light is able to kill bacteria more effectively, so you can always be confident that your water and bottle are being kept clean. Using the Luma bottle is easy. You just fill it up and press the button, and in 60 seconds you will have a clean bottle and fresh water. Plus, Luma bottle's battery is rechargeable and lasts up to 2 months on a single charge. With functioning prototypes and manufacturing ready to go, we need funding to put this bottle into production so we can distribute it to you. Help us make Luma bottle a reality so that we can make clean water available to everyone while continuing to protect the earth.
Hi, I'm Richard. I grew up in Cambodia in the 90s, and landmines were everywhere. Many families lost their loved ones because of them. That also included my family when I lost my aunt to a landmine accident. This problem persists in more countries than just Cambodia, with an estimated 60 million landmines still left in the ground around the world. Families still live in fear. Children have to remember the route they take to get to school just to be safe. There is no freedom to walk for them. Here at Demine Robotics, we have developed a solution that will help deminers take landmine out of the ground faster and much safer than the current method. Today, deminers use various gardening tools to dig out explosive by hand. It's dangerous, time-consuming, and a physically intensive task. It needs to change. We have designed and built Jivat, a landmine excavation robot that can dig out anti-personnel landmine in under 5 minutes, compared to today's existing process that can take up to 30 minutes. We currently have operations set up in Canada and Cambodia as we continue to network with key international stakeholders while prototyping the technology we are developing. But we still have a long way to go. Although most of the prototyping is happening in Cambodia, these costs still are high. Without additional funding, we cannot continue at the pace we need to help to achieve a mine-free world by 2025. We need your help. Your contribution will help us build more demining robots for deminers so that they can perform their job safer and more efficiently. We can never go back in time to take landmines out of the ground that have killed or maimed victims, but we can take the next one out so that their children can live without fear. Support us, support Jivat, support the freedom to walk for all. Thank you and have a great day.